So YouTube is not recommending your videos because some of these YouTube settings that you are supposed to turn on your YouTube channel is turned off, and if it is turned off, YouTube may not be able to recommend your videos, or the algorithm may not be able to see your videos and recommend them to your audience. Right now, when YouTube algorithm recommends your videos, it helps you to get views, it helps you to get watch time hours to be able to monetize on YouTube, and it also helps you to make money here on YouTube, because the more views and watch time hours you accumulate as a monetized YouTube channel, the more money you tend to make here on YouTube. It also helps your YouTube channel to grow, because it's going to take it to audience or your potential audience that are going to see your YouTube channel and then subscribe to it and start engaging in your videos. Now, with all this being said, let me show you some of these YouTube settings that you should turn on your YouTube channel that is going to help the algorithm to actually recommend your videos. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is go to your browser, whatever browser that you are using, and type in YouTube dashboard. I am using my Chrome browser. You can use any other browser that works for you, right? Now, when you type in your YouTube dashboard, click on it and it's going to open what you just saw. Click on the first YouTube dashboard and it's going to take you straight to your YouTube channel in a laptop version. That is if you are not using a desktop, right? And then scroll down and click on settings, and then the next thing you want to do is click on channel. Now, on this side of the YouTube channel, you are going to see where you should put your country of residence, where you are currently residing as the creator. When you scroll down, you are going to see keywords. Now, this is very important for your channel growth. Make sure you put in keywords that are relating to your YouTube channel, or to what your YouTube channel is doing, or to the kind of videos that you create on YouTube. This is going to help your videos to rank in search whenever an audience or a potential audience come on the YouTube space to actually look for a video. This is going to send a message to the algorithm that your videos are, or your channels are actually doing something like this, that this particular audience is looking for, and is going to recommend your videos. The next one you want to do is to go to advanced setting, still on that channel, right? And then choose where or who your videos are for, whether for children or whether for adults. Now, this is important because you don't want YouTube to take your videos that are for adults to children, right? Now, you can also choose the next one, which is automatic caption. You can actually tell the algorithm or YouTube to help you erase any words that are not correct, because with auto captioning there can be mistakes, right? Now, the next thing you want to go down to is the advertisements. There are rules and some other things about advertisement. Just read it up and then click on it if you want that to also be on your YouTube. Now, the next thing you want to go, which is feature eligibility, is to make sure that everything you are saying here is enabled. Make sure that everything on here is enabled. Your standard features, your intermediate features, your advanced features, make sure they are all enabled. Make sure it is showing green, just like what you can see right here. Okay, the next thing you want to do is to click on save and then go back to settings and then click on upload default. This is going to take you to basic, where you are going to see a space talking about your titles. Now, you can actually put an automatic title that is going to come up on your YouTube channel anytime you want to upload a video. That title is just there. Same thing with the description. You can put an automated description where you don't have to go back and fill in description each time you try to upload a video. Next thing you want to do is to make sure that your channel is on public. Means that people are going to see your channel, right? If they search for a video that is relating to your channel is going to be up for it. It's going to bring out videos that your channel has, right? Now, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead, scroll down. You see other settings that you should turn on, talking about location, talking about caption, languages, and this other one that is so important also is category. You want to tell the YouTube algorithm what categories your videos that you are creating on YouTube are. Right now, what I've experienced in my YouTube channels is that videos that are under the categories of education, YouTube generally push it more, or the algorithm generally pushes it more. So I would advise to put your video category under education. Right now, make sure also that your video is also educational before you also go ahead
to do that. Now for once you are done doing that, you can actually just scroll down to see the remaining settings. Right now, like I said, educational videos actually pushes out more, or YouTube algorithm actually pushes it out more. Now for caption restriction, you can see there is none there. I don't have any restriction when it comes to caption, which means I want my videos to always carry the caption or the automated caption that YouTube always do. Right now, you want to go down and tell the YouTube algorithm or YouTube if you want your comments bar section to be on, if you want it to be off. There are a lot and lot of settings that you should actually do on display. Then when you are done, make sure you click on save. Right, make sure that you click on save, because if you don't click on save, it will not save, and then all of those things will not be turned on. Now when it comes to growing here on YouTube, make sure that you are doing everything that you are supposed to be doing. Number one from them is, an example is these settings that I just showed you. When you have your tags on, when you have your categories on, and all other things that I just mentioned here, it's easier for the YouTube algorithm to pick on your videos. It's easier for the YouTube algorithm to understand what your videos are for, or who your channel is for. Because of course, the more reason why you're not getting the views or why you're not getting the recommendation is because the YouTube algorithm don't understand your channel or don't understand who your videos are for yet. So help the YouTube algorithm to actually help you push out your content. Now I currently run 5 YouTube channels, of which I have monetized 3 out of them, and I'm on the journey to monetize the remaining 2. If you want to join me on this journey, because I share all the tips that I use to monetize these 3 YouTube channels that I've monetized, and also to monetize the remaining 2 that I'm also on the journey on to monetize. If you want to see all of that and help yourself to grow your YouTube channel in 2025, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Right, click on subscribe. Do not forget to like this video. If you have any question about growing here on YouTube, let me know in the comment section. You guys, I have lots of videos that are going to also help you grow here on YouTube. Click on the link in the description. Bye.